Once upon a time, in the heart of Italy, there was a city that stood as a testament to the grandeur of history. A city where the whispers of the past were as alive as the vibrant present. Welcome to Rome, where every cobblestone tells a tale, and the air is thick with the aroma of centuries. Our story begins on a balmy evening, with the sun setting over the eternal city, casting a warm, golden glow on the ancient monuments that seem to stretch into infinity. In a small, rustic trattoria, tucked away in a quiet corner, our protagonist, Olivia, a weary traveler with a heart full of dreams, sat alone, sipping on a robust red wine. Olivia had come to Rome seeking solace, a respite from the noise of her busy life. Her days were filled with endless meetings and hurried deadlines, leaving little room for self-reflection. But Rome had a way of slowing down time, of making every moment linger, like the sweet notes of a serenade. As Olivia savored the velvety richness of her wine, a gentle breeze swept through the narrow streets, carrying with it the scent of blooming flowers and distant sea salt. The air was alive with the chatter of locals, the laughter of children playing in hidden courtyards, and the distant hum of a street musician's accordion. The trattoria's owner, a warm-hearted Roman named Marco, approached Olivia with a knowing smile. "Buona sera, signora. How may I make your evening in our beautiful city memorable?" Olivia, captivated by the charm of the setting, replied, "Surprise me, Marco. I want to experience Rome in a way that goes beyond the typical tourist trails." Marco nodded knowingly and disappeared into the kitchen, leaving Olivia to soak in the ambience. Soon, a parade of dishes arrived, each a symphony of flavors that told a story of generations past. The scent of truffles danced with the tang of tomatoes, and the creamy burrata melted in Olivia's mouth like a lullaby. As she indulged in the culinary delights, the night unfolded like a reel of ancient film. Marco, sensing Olivia's thirst for stories, regaled her with tales of emperors and gladiators, of triumph and tragedy. With every bite, Olivia felt as though she was ingesting not just food, but the essence of Rome itself. With a satisfied sigh, she stepped out into the moonlit streets, guided only by the soft glow of ancient lampposts. The Colosseum loomed in the distance, a silent witness to centuries of human drama. Olivia felt a strange sense of connection to the ghosts of the past, as though she was part of an eternal tapestry woven by the hands of time. As she wandered through the labyrinthine alleys, she stumbled upon a hidden piazza where a fountain, adorned with statues of mythical creatures, whispered promises of wishes granted. Olivia tossed a coin into the water, making a silent plea for clarity in her own life. The cool marble beneath her fingertips felt like a touch from centuries past, a reminder that even in the chaos of modernity, the echoes of history lingered. The night was still young, and Rome beckoned with open arms. Olivia found herself drawn to the Spanish Steps, where the sound of a guitar, played by a street artist, echoed against the stone walls. The melody was haunting, carrying with it the weight of centuries-old ballads and unspoken dreams. As Olivia climbed the steps, she felt a sense of ascent, not just in the physical realm, but in her own consciousness. Each step seemed to lift a burden from her shoulders, and by the time she reached the top, she was breathless, not from fatigue, but from the sheer beauty that unfolded before her. The cityscape stretched out like a mosaic of dreams, with the dome of St. Peter's Basilica rising above the rooftops, bathed in the soft glow of moonlight. Rome, in all its splendor, seemed to whisper to Olivia, inviting her to shed the layers of her everyday self and embrace the magic of the moment. As she descended the steps, she noticed a small gelato shop tucked away in a corner. The aroma of freshly made waffle cones wafted through the air, and Olivia couldn't resist the temptations. She ordered a scoop of pistachio and wandered towards the Tiber River, where the ancient Ponte Sant'Angelo stood adorned with angelic sculptures. With each spoonful, Olivia felt the cool sweetness melt away the residue of stress and worry. The river below shimmered with reflections of city lights, and the distant hum of laughter from riverside cafes added a melody to the night. It was a symphony of indulgence, a serenade to the senses. As she strolled along the riverbank, Olivia encountered a group of locals engaged in an impromptu dance. The music, a fusion of traditional Italian folk tunes and modern beats, echoed through the night. With a twinkle in her eye, a local extended a hand to Olivia, inviting her to join the celebration. Without hesitation, Olivia found herself twirling under the stars, caught in the embrace of a culture that celebrated life in all its flavors. The dance carried her away, freeing her from the constraints of time and obligation. In that moment, she was not a visitor, she was a participant in the eternal dance of existence. The night wore on, and as Olivia made her way back to her cozy accommodation, she couldn't help but feel a sense of gratitude. Rome had been more than a city, it had been a journey into the depths of her own soul. The sights, sounds, and tastes had served as a mirror, reflecting back the facets of herself she had long neglected. As she settled into bed, the soft rustle of the Roman night serenaded her to sleep. In her dreams, she walked through the Colosseum not as a spectator, but as a gladiator of her own destiny. The echoes of ancient whispers guided her steps, and the scent of truffles lingered in the air, a reminder that the journey of self-discovery was an ongoing odyssey. And so, beneath the Roman moon, Olivia drifted into a peaceful slumber, carrying with her the essence of a city that had not only embraced her, but had also gifted her the key to unlocking the mysteries within. Rome, with its timeless allure, had become not just a destination, but a companion on her journey of self-discovery and cultural appreciation. In the heart of the eternal city, where the past and present intertwined like lovers in a dance, Olivia found herself, one dreamy night at a time. As the echoes of Rome's enchantment linger in the air, may your own journey of self-discovery be as rich and timeless as the city that whispers its tales through every cobblestone. Until we meet again, ciao, from the heart of the eternal city,